All right, so now let's take some examples about calculated columns. So now we will see how we can actually create calculated columns using DAX. So first we will go to a data. So as I mentioned that from DAX, if you have a calendar or a date data, you can actually extract year, month, everything using DAX. So let's quickly see how we can do that. So we have a date column, and let's say from this date column, though we already have the year, but we will create a new column with year using DAX. So what we will do, we will create on this new column. So there are many ways actually with which you can create a new column. So either you can right click on this data, and there is an option called new column. You can right click on here as well. So there is an option called new column, and if you click on this data, you will see a new column over here as well. So you can use whatever you want. I especially use this one. So now let's name this year, and I will put underscore because we already have an year, and the function that we will use here is year. So you see, if I write year, all the things that is related to year will come over here. So I will choose in this case year. If I choose year, and then it is showing I have to add a date. So in this case my date will be from the calendar lookup table, the date column. So I will just write calendar lookup. So this is my table, and this is, you see, this is my date column. I will take this one and I will close the bracket, hit enter, and then you will see one year column is already created. If I click on the drop down, you'll see 2015, 2016 and 2017. Let's select 2015 and see if it is working. So you see, this is also 2015, this is also 2015. So this is how we can create year column. Now let's create another column. So we will go to, let's say, the sales data, and let's say if the order quantity is greater than 1, then we can say multiple quantity, and if the order quantity is less than 1, oh sorry, if the order quantity is less than 1 or equal to 1, then it is a single quantity. Okay, so we will create a new column, and let's say we will name it order quantity, and we will write if. So there is a function called if my order quantity column, so I will just write order. You see the order quantity column from this sales is appearing here. I will select this one. If the order quantity column is greater than 1 comma, so here sorry, the parameter is gone. So if it is greater than 1, then the parameter is asking for the result if true. So first one was the logical test that we have already done, then it is result if true. So if it is greater than 1, then it should be multiple product. I'll just write multiple products. Otherwise, if it is equal to 1, then it will just show single product, and then I will close the bracket and I will hit enter. You see a new column is created. Now I will choose, say, if the order quantity is 2, then you see it is showing multiple products. If it is 3, then again it is showing multiple products. And now if I choose only 1, it will okay, it will show me only the single product. So this is an example of how you can use calculated fields using DAX. Next we will see a lot of things. Till then, goodbye.